first glance, you might think this phone is big, but once you actually use it, you realize it's on a completely different level. You might expect it to feel spacious, but in reality, it takes that idea much further. I've been spending a few days with the Huawei Pura X Max, and honestly, my impression has only gotten stronger over time. From the moment I first picked it up to actually living with it day to day, it's been incredibly appealing. It really feels like this is how a foldable phone is supposed to be designed. So in this video, let's break down exactly what Huawei got right with this truly expansive folding device.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before this phone was even announced, most of us had already formed an idea of what foldables should look like. The industry seemed focused on making devices that simply unfold, almost like transforming a regular phone into something bigger, rather than designing something that fully embraces the concept of a foldable screen. That's why the Huawei Pura X Max feels different. It feels like a product built specifically for folding screens from the ground up. That's not to say other foldable designs are bad, but what makes this one stand out is how it balances both the inner and outer displays. The square root of 2:1 aspect ratio isn't random. It's actually based on how we consume content every day. Think about it. Most videos are in 16:9. Photos are often 3:2 or 16:9, and many images sit around 4:3. So the real question is what kind of screen ratio can handle all of that without wasting space? Interestingly, the answer is something we've been using forever, A4 paper. It follows a square root of 2:1 ratio, which works perfectly for everything from documents to photos to presentations. Nobody ever complains about A4 being inefficient, right? That same principle is applied here. This wide fold design hits a kind of universal balance for content, making it incredibly efficient across different use cases. On top of that, both the inner and outer screen share this same ratio, which keeps everything consistent. This ratio also brings a very unique experience. The outer screen feels natural and easy to use, while the inner screen becomes even more comfortable once unfolded. Huawei has clearly paid attention to ergonomics here. The width feels just right whether the phone is folded or open. When unfolded, it sits within a range that feels comfortable for both your hands and your eyes, making it easy to hold and enjoyable to look at. So what does all of this actually feel like in real use? On the outside, the 5.4-inch display already gives you a viewing area comparable to smaller smartphones. But when you're scrolling through apps like Xiaohongshu, you immediately notice a difference. The layout expands from 2 columns to 3, giving you about 50% more content on screen. Open it up and it stretches to 4 columns, which means even more information at a glance. The 7.7-inch inner display takes things even further. Whether you're watching shows, scrolling through short videos, or catching up on content, the larger screen makes everything feel more immersive. I've personally spent hours watching short-form videos, and the experience on this display is genuinely addictive. The stereo speakers also add to that immersion, delivering rich sound whether you're holding the phone vertically or horizontally, folded or unfolded. When it comes to browsing, the wider screen simply shows more text, more images, more everything. And that's really the beauty of a foldable like this. If you want a regular phone experience, you have it. If you want something bigger, just unfold it. It adapts instantly without compromise. Gaming is another area where this wide display really shines. In fact, it almost feels like a built-in advantage. Because you can see more of the game world, it gives you better awareness. In shooting games, you get a wider field of view, making it easier to spot enemies not just ahead, but also on the sides. In MOBAs like Honor of Kings or League of Legends, the expanded view lets you track more action across the map, which can seriously improve your gameplay. Even in strategy-style games like Teamfight Tactics, having more space means you can manage your items and layout much more comfortably. Of course, no matter how good the screen is, it won't magically improve your skills, but it definitely helps. Reading is another surprisingly strong use case. Using this wide display feels like carrying a mini library in your pocket. The design actually reminds me a bit of an Amazon Kindle in terms of how it feels to hold. When folded, it's similar to a compact paperback, perfect for quick reading on the go. Open it up, and it becomes more like a hardcover book, giving you a larger, more immersive reading space. It's especially great for comics, where the extra width really makes a difference. While a lot of attention goes to the screen ratio, the display quality itself is just as impressive. The outer screen can hit up to 3,500 nits of brightness, while the inner screen reaches 3,000 nits. Both support HDR vivid and adaptive high refresh rates, and they share the same pixel density of 412 ppi. Because both screens use the same aspect ratio, switching between them feels seamless. There's no awkward adjustment, just a smooth transition. And finally, when it comes to productivity, this is where things get really interesting. Smartphones are often limited by their small screens, while tablets can be bulky and inconvenient. This device sits right in between. The Huawei Pura X Max manages to combine portability with a large functional display, making it a surprisingly capable tool for getting work done. In fact, it's powerful enough to handle an entire workflow on its own.
The Huawei Pura X Max really steps things up when it comes to cameras. It comes equipped with a quad camera system that includes a super smooth primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, a periscope telephoto macro camera, and a second-generation red peak primary color sensor. On top of that, you get features like XMax selfie pose suggestions and 3D dynamic photos, so the overall shooting experience feels right in line with other flagship devices. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or filming work-related vlogs, it handles everything with ease. When it comes to editing, that large inner folding display makes a big difference. With its 2:1 aspect ratio, it feels very similar to working on a computer screen. Once you unfold it, you can use it in a horizontal layout where one side gives you a bigger, clearer preview, while the other side makes navigation smoother and more intuitive. Huawei even created the Huawei M Pen 3 Mini specifically for this device, which allows for precise control when editing videos. After finishing your edits, the combination of the big screen and stylus also becomes perfect for creating visuals and designs. This device also introduces something new creatively. It's the first phone to feature the Tianzhen drawing app, letting you sketch whenever inspiration hits. And if drawing isn't really your thing, that's completely fine. Huawei has integrated its AI-GC image generation technology directly into the Huawei Notes app, bringing in the AI inspiration creation feature. With just a few simple strokes, even the most basic sketches can be transformed into polished, beautiful images. I tried it myself with a very rough drawing, and the phone turned it into a surprisingly refined illustration. For users with more advanced creative needs, there's also a professional mode that combines text-to-image and image-to-image capabilities, making it possible to generate more detailed design drafts or posters. From idea to final output, everything happens right on this one screen, making it feel like a powerful creative workspace. What really surprised me the most, though, wasn't just the screen ratio or how much content it can display. It was how seamlessly AI is integrated into everyday use. The Huawei Pura X Max introduces the Little Wing companion AI assistant, which can stay running in the background or remain visible on the side of the screen. When needed, it can even expand into a larger window. This is where the wide aspect ratio really shows its advantage. On traditional smartphones, using an AI assistant usually means interrupting what you're doing or sacrificing screen space with split screen mode. Here, even if the assistant is always present, your main content still has plenty of room. In daily use, this AI assistant becomes genuinely helpful. While reading, it can summarize key points instantly. During work conversations, it can automatically record important details into your schedule. Even something as simple as buying coffee, it can capture and save your pickup code without you needing to think about it. This kind of always available assistance really feels like a new stage for AI on smartphones. So, going back to the question from the beginning, what exactly did Huawei get right with this wide foldable design? The answer is simple. The proportions just make sense, and when the proportions are right, everything else falls into place. What stands out most is how natural it feels to use, especially compared to other large foldables that can feel awkward when unfolded.
The wide concept here isn't just about making the screen bigger. In fact, vertically, it's actually smaller than some traditional large displays. But because of this golden ratio, it fits more content and gives you a wider, more comfortable view. At the same time, Huawei's long-term investment in research and development really shows here. Along with the new screen proportions, the Harmony OS 6.1 system and its multi-device ecosystem have been fully optimized to support this form factor. That foundation is what makes a product like this possible. Over the past 7 years, Huawei has continuously refined its foldable technology, from hardware innovations like the triple-layer composite structure and the Xuanwu water drop hinge to the second-generation Kunlun glass, all contributing to durability and reliability. That experience is what allows them to deliver devices like this and the Mate X7. Of course, there are a couple of small things I wish were different. Huawei didn't continue with the triple fold design this time, and the X7 doesn't include a case with a built-in stand in the box. For a device focused on content creation, having a good stand is actually pretty important. That said, Huawei does offer an official case with a built-in stand and magnetic support, which feels like an essential accessory, just like the stylus. After spending a few days with it, my overall takeaway is this: the Huawei Pura X Max isn't just another foldable with a new size, it's a foldable that finally gets the proportions right. Whether you're working, studying, watching content, editing, drawing, or shooting videos, it adapts to it all effortlessly. Huawei's large foldable experience here is genuinely impressive. I definitely recommend trying it out in a physical store. It might not be for everyone, but once you experience it, it's hard to go back. I've also seen a lot of people asking whether the smaller foldable Pura X will continue to be updated. From what I understand, the Pura X and Pura X Max are actually separate product lines, and the Pura X2 should be on the way. So if you prefer a more compact foldable, waiting for that model makes sense. As for pricing, the base version of the Huawei Pura X Max starts at 10,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £1,193 in the UK and about $1,613 in the US. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.